You know what I mean? If I sound Nigerian, I'm Nigerian. If I sound Ghanaian, I'm Ghanaian. Every beat has a message in there you need to unlock as an artist. So first song I dropped went viral. I was in school at that time. Check my network right now for Google. They will give you some figure I no see before. You can't be chasing people around to support you. You need to give them a reason for them to support your sound.
I like that and you putting for body, girl, you know I do. I do love you anytime you call me, girl, me I come through. Show me mercy, not.
Hi, what's up, family? I go by the name DJ, and I'm here to face the fans on MX24. Let's go. DJ. My name, an artist, and Starman. Yeah.
You know I got you too. Call me now, oh, I mean now, you know what I got inside.
Nah, cause I believe in myself. I believe in the dream, and I know it's only a matter of time, you know. So regardless of anything, I just keep going, you know. Yeah, I've never ever felt depressed. You know, yeah.
It's for you for life, you did touch your feelings that.
I listen wide, Afrobeats, rock music, high life, anything song, you know. Yeah. So with Amina, I linked up with Sosa. Big shouts to him. He's a producer from Ghana. You all go check him out. So we linked up, and he asked, that was our first link up. So he asked, what kind of sound do I want to record? Then I said Afrobeats, you know. But I went inside, I think, to take a shower or something. When I came back, I heard what he was playing, and for some reasons I felt like I needed something new, something different. So I was like, bro, you know what you're playing is really hard, but let's try something new. And then I had to bring in some ideas, we shared ideas, and then we arrived at the sound. It took us like 5 minutes to record the song, you know. It's crazy, you day out, you feel me? Yeah.
I got you for life, you did touch your feelings that.
Drake, oh, Drake, mama, give me Drake, yeah. Give me Drake. Because I hear him on the sound, it's funny enough, I don't know. And you know, we need that kind of link up. If you'll be Ghana, US, I mean, yeah, it's good for myself and the industry.
Be your love by your side, want to make you all mine.
For me, honestly, I don't have a problem with that. I think we are one people, one Africa. You know what I mean? If I sound Nigerian, I'm Nigerian. If I sound Ghanaian, I'm Ghanaian. I mean, it's all good. You feel me? Yeah.
For life, you know I can't wait to pay all the price.
It's yet to drop. It's yet to drop. It's called Anybody. It's on the tape, Starman tape. Yeah, make you people wait for him.
Girl, you my leave low. If they say make I leave you, no. I did my row for your matter, my short say.
Balance it. Balance it. Yeah. Bring more money.
Oh my, baby girl, me I like the way you move.
As for inspirations, it could be anything, you know. What's going on around me, what I've heard in the news, a movie I've watched. It could be anything, you know. The beats can inspire me to create something, because every beat has a message in there you need to unlock as an artist. So, yeah, the beats also can inspire me to write music.
You show me my girl, who make me meet up rendezvous.
Least favorite thing about being a musician, I would say the interviews. You know, sometimes it stress me, you get me, but in all, you know, you for do them, you know, to sell yourself and all of that, you know, it's all good, man. You know, yeah. As a music, what do I do? I watch movies, I think, yeah. But if I'm being honest, yeah, it's just music for me, you know, yeah, if I'm being honest.
My boo, you know I got you too. Call me now, oh, I mean now, you know what I got inside.
Biggest challenge as an artist in Ghana. So for me, I think with our sound, we don't have bigger or wider audience, you know. And right now we have TikTok to sell our music and all of that, but with this sound, just look at our top 100. You know, we have foreigners on the chat and all of that. So I think we should start to like listen more to our sound. And we as musicians, we should also give them a reason to listen to our music. Like the first thing, they wake up in the morning and the first thing is DJ on the person's mind. Let me make her listen to music or any Ghanaian artist, you know, yeah. So at first, I thought music was like just release music because my first song I dropped went like viral. My first song I dropped went viral. I was in school at that time. So I felt like, oh, it's just have a good song. But I've come to realize that it's more of like the groundwork. You need to have a team, you know, you need to have people working. You know what I mean? So I learned that, and I've learned that you can't be chasing people around to support you. You need to give them a reason for them to support your sound. For instance, the media. You know, you need to give the media a reason to support your work. You know, yes, so that's it. Big shouts to the dance industry. I think they are doing so well, and they are doing much for the industry, because it's not just me. We've seen it, we all see it. You know, with dance, it helps the music. I mean, music and dance move together. And when people dance to your song, at the same time, the music sinks in, you know, whilst they are dancing, enjoying the song and all of that. So big shouts to every dancer out there doing, like, putting every sound out there, you know, because the challenges, as we know, they blow the songs, you'll be in your corner and then your music will be buzzing somewhere else, and it's the dance, you know. I can mention like 5 songs right now where dance help, so yeah, so it's all good, man. Can I be on your side? Yeah, so most of the times when you have a song doing so well, people think you've made millions. You know, your net worth be $1 million. Check my net worth right now for Google. They will give you some figure I don't see before. I don't get that money, you know. So you all should take it easy on us, you know. I mean, you see me looking good. Maybe I guess, maybe I don't get, you know. So yeah. So like 2 years back, myself and Blacko, we were, you know, discussing dropping a joint album, because like there's this connection every time we link up in the studio to work on any sound, you know. Maybe, not maybe, it's still possible. So let's see how it goes. These are really good church, but I never think of before. Those are really good church, but I never think of before. Yeah. Maybe or him or Mercy. Yeah, I hear that name a lot. Yeah, so. Now to beef artists, so I'm not gonna beef chase clouds. No, because I believe in my work, I believe in myself. You know, so there's no point to now my shisha beef. You know, I don't see myself doing that, you know. You know, me, I don't do too much on social media. I always do on my own, so I haven't heard any, you know, serious. And myself, I don't stay online. Like, I'm not that type that goes online like every time, no. So maybe they've said something about me I've not heard myself, you know. Yeah. So for me, I would like to connect or unite Africa with music. And I think the way to do this is when we have collaborations, you know, across Africa. Let's say Jay has a song with someone in the East or the South, you know, to just bring us together as one people. And that can help us, you know, in all aspects, you know, in all aspects, you feel me? So one Africa agenda, you know, yeah. Mr. Easy. Wow. Yeah, Mr. Easy, because he's been my inspiration from day one. You ask my mates in high school, they'll tell you I used to make noise. And fast forward, I have a song with him. See how God works? So yeah, easy, any day. Outside Ghana, Drake will, Drake will. So open the show with Drake, for Drake, or end the show, it's crazy, man. It's a plus. Yeah.
And I like that thing you put in for body, girl, you know I do.
I need to check my playlist to see what I listen to. Okay, currently. So I would say Magic's, cause like I did listen the new school. Wow. Cause I feel like everyone comes with a vibe, and as an artist, you need to learn. Forget say you get talent. You need to listen to the ones coming. Like listen and learn, get to know someone or two. You know. And he dropped a song recently. I did on the song Heavy. You know, it's a very nice song. So yeah, I did listen the new school. You feel me? I did listen, they learn. You know, why is it that this song is doing so well? Okay, it's called this and this. Okay, yeah, that's how I move. In Ghana, right now the new school we get last mate, we get Olive, we get. I mean, I did listen everybody. Trust me, my ears they everywhere. My ears they everywhere. Trust me, yeah, I did listen everybody.
To love you anytime you call me, girl, me, I come through.
I dey like Tike Blodo. You know we got here this time, but yeah, that be me Martino. Make I don't like answer the question, try answer. I dey like tea bread. Ask my mommy. She go tell you. Morning, afternoon, Gyakie. Yeah. When you know how they drink when you dip you go dunk Yeah.
Show me mercy, not that show me. I like the way you move.
Like I said, I dey listen everybody. Everybody they feel inspire me in any way. You know? Yeah. So in Ghana, I dey listen everybody. Trust me. I dey listen everybody. And I think I would say easy, but I would have said easy, but I learned everything I could learn from Easy Finish. I don't know. Yeah, I've learned so much from him. I mean, with melodies, writing music, and all of that, you know. So right now, I just dey learn from everybody. Everybody, trust me. I believe in God so much, and before I drop any project, you know, I give myself some time. You know, spend time with the Holy Ghost. You know, I dey pray a lot. I be very religious. You know, I come from a religious home. My mom, she's that type. You know, she would ask me, when are you dropping this song? What's the date? Let me know the date. So we do some one or two. You know, because before you put out a project, you need to, you know, go and talk to God, because He's the one we believe in. Others go seek them at thing, because that's what they believe in. So I also have to, you know, so she's very particular about the dates. Let me know the dates you are dropping. And then we do our thing. You need to have a plan. It's like, before you drop a music or a song, you need to, I don't know how to say this, but you need to bring people in your craft. Find a way of doing that. You know, maybe you drop a short video before the music drops, just to create anticipation for the song. That's what everyone uses now, but as an artist, like, you need to find a way to bring people into the craft, you know? So anytime you drop, it's like they are part of the process of you creating the music, you know? So then go feel like then they ask you to record the song. I mean, I don't know if you guys understand, but yeah, that's it. Bring them into your craft, you know, and it will work for you, you know? Yeah, you go feel drop just beat and sing small, but then go still like feel that kind of vibe. Or just go live whilst you're recording the song, and then you tell them, so this is the next song, you know, I'm dropping. And then you do it like on live, Instagram live, TikTok live, so they'll feel like part of the music, and when you drop it, trust me, you know, it's like, yeah, we dip as like we be one team, you know, that kind of thing, yeah.
It's for you for life, you did that's your feelings that girl no lie, oh girl for life. This is what I see.
Money, you. It be money, but you know, because that's the thing. It's money, but everything be understanding. Because we can have a contract before we start working. And as time goes on, you would realize things will change. I mean, you blow up and everything. So it gets to a point you need to review the contract, adjust some one or two, and it's so normal. Like, it's normal. But I think for some managers, it's difficult for them to understand that aspect. And for some artists, I mean, it happens for both sides. Some artists feel like, oh, I need to leave and do my own thing. I mean, but for me, everything, we need to sit down, like, and then understand if to review the contract, you do it. Nothing no real more. You know, we have that gun saying, everything be talking, you know, just sit down and talk. Yeah.
I got you for life, you did that's your feelings that
I would smash my blue. I seen picture child. So I would smash S3fa and hug my blue. Ghana. Peace. Yeah, Asumdwe. Yeah, we know like blood. Yeah, Ghanaians, we cool. Grammys DJ. Women. My Ghana girls, yeah. 4 prices. Government. Black Sheriff, money. Beam. Chocolate. Sneakers. Soft. Oh, who they want hard? Bad breath. When we come out, I tell you, it's a big no talk. Make you never talk for public. Close up. Love. Yeah, love go if you bring money. You. Yeah, love go if you bring money. We go understand one body, go out, go work. Like, you know, love go if you bring money. Yeah. Logic. Afro Beast. Thanks God, Lord, Afro Beast. Everybody gets some style. It depends on your mood. You know, everyone puts you in a mood. Afrobeats gives you that, hey, Charlie, go, gaga, that kind of vibe. And Lloyd, you would be like speechless. Like, yo, this guy. You know, the way he be smallish. So everyone puts you in a mood. It's just like music. Every artist, they give you some kind of vibe. Yeah, so it's what you feel for the moment. Call me now, oh, me now, you know what I got inside. It's for you for life, you did tension feelings that. Girl no lie, oh girl for life, this is what I seek. I got you for life, you did tension feelings that. What's up family, go by the name DJ and I just faced the fans on MS24. Boomski.
Oh my, baby girl. Me, I like the way you move. You tell show me my girl who make we meet up on the room. Show me mercy, no tell show me I like the way you move. Hell, you my boo. You know I got you too. And I like that thing you putting for body, girl. You know I do. I do love you anytime you call me, girl. Me, I come through. Show me mercy, no tell show me I like the way you move. Hell, you my boo. You know I got you too. Call me now, oh, me now, you know what I got inside. It's for you for life, you did tension feelings that. Girl no lie, oh girl for life, this is what I see. I got you for life, you did tension feelings that. I be your lover, yes side. Want to make you all mine for life. You know I can't wait to pay all the price. And girl, you my elite lolo. If you say make I leave you, no. I dey mara for your mother, my short say, oh my, baby girl. Me, I like the way you move. You tension me, my girl, who make me meet up rendezvous. Show me mercy, no tension me. I like the way you move. Girl, you my boo. You know I got you too. Call me now, I mean now. You know what I got inside. It's for you for life. You the tension feelings that. Girl, no lie, oh girl for life. This is what I see. I got you for life. You the tension feelings that. Can I be all over your side? You the tension me for life. I be all over your side. Over your side. Say, oh my, baby girl. Me, I like the way you move. You tension me, my girl, who make me meet up rendezvous. Show me mercy, no tension me. I like the way you move. Girl, you my boo. You know I got you too. And I like that thing you putting for body, girl. You know I do. I do love you anytime you call me, girl. Me, I come through. Show me mercy, no tension me. I like the way you move. Girl, you my boo. You know I got you too. Call me now, I mean now. You know what I got inside. It's for you for life. You the tension feelings that. Girl, no lie, oh girl for life. This is what I see. I got you for life. You the tension feelings that.
So make the beat go.